All right, y'all. We are up on the 14th floor of the Graduate by Hilton in downtown Providence, Rhode Island. This is a pretty historic hotel. Originally, I think it was called the Biltmore Hotel. That is actually a glass elevator, but it's been decommissioned for a long time, sadly. But here are the main elevators. They're just basic Otises, nothing that exciting. However, I am actually staying here tonight, and I'm going to show you all my room here. Some pretty wide hallways as well. But first, take a look at this room key. Let me flip it over real quick. Ain't that just cool? I'm liking the style of this place. But with that said, tonight I am staying in room 1433. So let's go check this place out. Of course, it's not wanting to. There we go. So I'm not going to disclose what room type we have yet, but actually, judging by the video, you can probably already see it. But anyways, let's look at our security features. We got a latch right here, and then there's a deadbolt. And studying. A very college-themed hotel chain, which was pretty recently bought out by Hilton. And then here we have the evacuation map. There you go. So now we'll look in here. We have a decently large closet, which is actually pretty nice and spacious. It's got an ironing, that's a suitcase stand. We have the ironing board. Comes with an iron. We have a space heater and only 3 hangers. That's not very much. So I think they could do a little better with the stock. We got a pretty old looking safe up here. Not too shabby. Here's all our stuff. We come over here. We have part of the bathroom. How's it going? Well, pretty much just the sink and stuff. So we got tissues, makeup mirror, hi. We have, looks like lotion and bar soap. Then the sink, the drain was closed. Let's see how long the water takes to heat up. It is taking a second to heat up. There it goes, now it's warm. Water heater, a little slow. Coming down here, it looks like we have a hair dryer all bagged up. We got some washcloths, hand towels, and shower towels. Another mirror. Then we got the shower. It's not the biggest, but it does come with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. That's a plus. Shower curtain, not too shabby. Shower nozzle up here. Does double as a bathtub at least. Then there's the toilet and toilet paper. Oh, what is this? Oh, this is extra toilet paper. Okay, interesting. Okay, got a trash can down here and towel hanger right here. But now, the moment you all have been waiting for, the rest of the room. That's right. This right here is a 2-king suite. And I scored a pretty insane deal on this. So, yeah, that was really lucky because this room is huge. So let's dig deep into this. Here we have a desk. We are all students. Funny looking statue, or what is this? This is just like a little statue of some sort. It looks like it's stuck to the lamp. That is, that's fascinating. Got a nice looking chair here too. I don't think it's a rolly. No, I don't think it is. Got a nice looking couch with some pretty nice looking cushions. Backdrop, book stacks. Couple more paintings also. We have, oh, that's the ice container. Another lamp. And that looks like an extra coffee table from what I can tell. Here's the real coffee table. Another nice looking chair. Here's the heater and the AC unit. I think it's controlled by thermostat. Looks like we have blackout curtains maybe. Let's just look out here real quick. Here's the rest of downtown Providence at night. There's an ice skating rink across the street. Yeah, pretty nice view so far. Coming over here, we have a Samsung flat screen TV. We have a electric kettle, it looks like, with some coffee cups and lids, creamer and sugar. Looks like here's the decaf blend and other coffee stuff. It has some coasters and some napkins. 3 big drawers. There is a mini fridge as well, which comes with 2 cans of water. Trash and recycling over here. We got the thermostat. It's at 70, so I guess that's pretty adequate. It is pretty cold outside. So, yeah. But then we have the beds. Yes, I'm not joking. 2 king beds. Which, that is not something you see every day. We have another Samsung flat screen TV up here. I'm liking the backdrop. And fascinating how it has a ceiling fan. That can be pretty convenient. We'll come over to the nightstand. We have a cool looking alarm clock right here. And it looks like it might be electric. Interesting. That is very cool. And this lamp, check this out. And an old vintage phone too, which it looks like it does work. Wow, that is cool. We got a notepad and a pencil, TV remote. This does not want to open, so maybe it doesn't intend to open. Bunch of cool photos up here. There's the sprinkler. I mean, cleanliness-wise, I mean, these walls do look a little scratched up. I think they could do a better job of cleaning that up. But otherwise, not too big of a concern at this stage. I am noticing some potential water stains up here. At least I think those are water stains. There's a few over here too. I didn't really check the cushions and stuff. I don't think there's much, to my knowledge. I mean, the corner is looking a little dusty too. But I'm gonna take my shoes off now, and we're gonna test the comfiness of the beds. Mattress is firm. Pillow's nice. And yeah, it's huge. It's a king. So that's a huge plus. Now, will I have roommates? Not that I can tell. And I don't really see any hairs or specks of dirt from what I can tell. Might as well come over here and check this one. Oh, there is a hair right here. They missed that one. I don't think they... I mean, they're pretty well cleaned, I'd say. And yes, they're huge. 2 king beds. I don't think I've ever experienced this in a hotel, so this is a huge plus. And the rest of this suite overall, it looks super nice. Albeit with those little water stains up there, but everything else looks fantastic. Well, I think I've covered just about everything in the room. Overall, first impressions, it looks very nice. The beds are huge. They're pretty comfy. I like how they gave us complimentary water. That's a huge plus. And it's decorated very nicely. The bathroom is a little on the small side, though, I will say. But otherwise, it is in pretty good shape. This is a little dark, but I'm not complaining. The storage space in here is pretty good, too. I do like that. So, I mean, all around, I'm pretty impressed with this room so far. And I definitely got a bang for my buck because this was a surprisingly inexpensive room. If I get around to it, I might put how much I paid for this room in the video, but I'll look into that. But yeah, overall, I think I've covered just about everything in this room. I'm all around impressed. And so I think that's going to go ahead and wrap up this video. So thank you all for watching this. And I don't think I can recommend this hotel enough. It is pretty nice. Albeit it's a little dated, but it is a historic hotel. So there's still some elements that are kept original, basically. But with that said, I think I've covered just about everything. So thank you all for watching this video. Hopefully this is helpful if you're coming to Providence. And remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. It's free and you can always change your mind later. But with that said, I will catch you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.